the last level, man. Come on, come on. Let's go.
Paul!
Yes, Mom?
Paul!
Yes, Mom!
I want to talk to you. Come here.
What happened?
I want to talk to you. Come here.
Oh my God. How am I do there, God? God, how am I do, God? Oh my God. Jesus Christ, man, oh man. This one.
Paul!
Oh, Jesus. God, how am I do, God? God, please, now ask you if you could just show me a sign, God. I'll stop eating hot dogs, God. I'll never eat stew peas, God. And I'll never tell every girl that I lie down with that I love them, God. Please, Lord, I'm asking you, just give me a sign. Please, God. Oh, God. Oh, let me call John. John. Hello? John. Man, you picked up fast, thanks. Yo, listen, did your mom call my mom and tell her about that thing that she called us with? Oh, man. You know what I'm talking about, right? Yeah, that thing, yes. Oh, alright, thanks, man. I appreciate it, thanks. Yeah, I'm good, alright.
Paul!
God, what did I do? What did I... Alright, breathe in, breathe out, pull it together. Alright, let's wipe this off my face. Okay, alright, let's listen to the voicemail. Maybe it's nothing. Let's see if the school called or anything.
Miss Beatty, we're there and we are waiting for you, you know. We just want to know what time you are coming up. I'll be a dollar bill everybody have, you know. Trust me. We just want to drop it like it's hot. Because everybody there and we are waiting. Beer singles we have seen. Alright, later.
God, Mommy's a stripper. Oh my God, Mommy's swinging up balls. Oh my God, Mommy's a stripper. Oh my God, she's swinging up balls. You know, yeah, man, call you. What's wrong with you, huh? Yes, Mommy, I heard you, but I was just kind of busy doing something.
Oh, busy, huh?
What's the
Well, I made
problem?
some food. Aren't you hungry?
Oh, you made food. Oh, is that it?
Yeah, that's it. What else would it be?
Oh, okay, I thought it was something else. Sorry. But, Mommy, I was listening to the voicemail on the phone, and a guy called and left a message, said that they're over there and they want you to drop it like it's hot. You know, drop it like it's hot. And, that he only has singles and there's a bunch of them waiting for you. What's that about? Is I put in my bake and I'm going to sell it at the church. What's the problem? What's wrong? Something is wrong? Huh? Oh, thank you, Jesus. Okay, you bake a pudding, okay. Alright, so I'm coming, I'll be there shortly, alright? Hold on 1 second, let me just ask you something. Which day last week did you skip school to go play Pig G with your friends? Pig G, Pub G, eh?